Kumusta guys? Ngayong araw meron na naman tayong nakitang ire-react na video ni Ruel Carino. Ito yung galing sa channel ni Replica. Ayan, bago tayo magsimula guys, inaanyayahan ko kayo na mag-subscribe sa channel ni Replica. Napakagaganda ng kanyang mga content about sa mga Filipino singer na nag-viral kagaya nga ni Ruel Carino. Panoorin natin tong isang fan-made video na gawa ni Replica channel. Nakakatawa to guys.
Questions? Just do it.
Thank you so much.
Sumagot pa si Ruel. Galing. Grabe reaction ni Sophia, no? Nakangangap. Ang galing ng pagkakagawa nito. Akala mo tunay talaga.
In my heyday, young girls wrote to me. Everybody seemed to have time to devote to me.
Grabe talaga yung mga reaction nila Simon tsaka nila Howie.
Everyone I saw, also they knew me. Once upon a song.
Oh my God! Wow!
Main attractions couldn't buy seats.
Kung sakaling sasali man si Ruel Carino, dapat ito isuot niya, no? Bagay na bagay sa kanya, talagang presentable. Ganda pa ng kulay.
The celebrities would die to me. I've had every accolade bestowed on me.
Si Simon, napapalunok laway pa eh.
Okay.
And so you see, could you sing along? If I never sing at all this song, it shouldn't bother me.
Grabe, ang galing-galing ng pagkakagawa nitong video na to. Talagang akala mo talaga nandun na si Ruel Carino, no? Sa America's Got Talent. Na hindi naman na malabong mangyari guys kasi napaka-talented nitong si Ruel Carino.
I've had my share of fame. You know my name. If I never sing along.
Si Howie hindi nagbabago itsura. Isa yung itsura ni Howie dito, nakangangalang.
This song, or take another bow, I would get by.
Ayun no. Ilang yes kaya makukuha ni Ruel dito?
But I'm not sure how.
Oh, wow. We were not expecting that.
No, we were not.
Di ba na-shock sila no? Sa talent na Ruel.
Thank you so
Sophia,
much.
what did you think of that?
You know that I love surprises, and that was like super unexpected. I was like asking Simon, how can you do that?
Ang galing ng pagkaka-edit.
I thought it was really different.
Yes. Heidi.
It's very unusual to have
Sana nga sumali na si Ruel, no? Marami na rin naghihintay sa kanya na mag-audition siya dito sa America's Got Talent. Kahit sa Britain's Got Talent, pwede rin. Marami rin mga Pinoy na sumasali doon.
this voice coming out of you.
Thank you so much.
Certainly a surprise.
Replica.
Galing.
Where
Kaya guys,
legendary
huwag niyo
voices
kalimutan
live
na
again.
mag-subscribe sa channel ni Replica. Grabe, napakalupit itong video na to mula kay Replica Channel. And guys, isa na ng mga napakagandang video ang ating napanood. Video ni Matt Munro, The Clones, Ruel Carino. Ayan, supportahan natin guys din yung kanyang Facebook page. Ito yung kanyang Facebook page. Ayan, mag-follow na kayo. Kung gusto nyong updated sa mga video ni Ruel Carino. Paano, hanggang dito na muna. Kita-kits ulit tayo sa mga susunod pang reaction video.